All right, about to do a little mobility for my hips and knees here. 2 exercises, these are great. First one's what I call a squat rocker. So you get all the way down in the bottom position. If you can't get all the way down in a deep squat position, I'll show you how you can do the same exercise. But from there, you're basically gonna rock your knees as far forward as you can and then rock your butt backward as far as you can, okay? Forward, backward, and you're just shifting weight between your hips and your lower back there, all the way up into your knees and your ankles. So back, forward, and then you can kind of go on different legs, so you can do alternating. This will put a lot of strain through those knees, so tread cautiously. You can do the same thing going backwards, going back and forth on those hips. If you can't go down all the way, guys, literally just go as low as you can, still do the same thing. It's the exact same concept, exact same movement, and it will still warm up your knees. You can also hold on to something too if you need it. That's the first one, squat rockers. You like that name? Second one is kind of a variation of a knees over toe ATG split squat. So again, I'm going to show you the standard variation, but if this is too difficult, I'll show you what to do after that. So you're going to go forward into an ATG split squat. Back leg is off the ground, front leg forward. Hold this position for a second. You can kind of rock that knee forward and backward. And then you come back, go ahead and curl your toe under. That knee is going to be on the ground, so this quad's actually getting a stretch now, and then this hamstring is going to get stretched. So I'm pushing down, pulling up at the same time. It's going to get really deep in that stretch. So it's that leg, and then you'll flip and do the other leg. If that's too difficult, of course, though, we can still do a same variation. Just go as far forward as you can while keeping your back leg on the ground, okay? It'll be a little easier on both. It'll look kind of like a yoga pose for this one. So you go forward. Again, my knee isn't really as far forward over my toe. You might be able to get it there with that back leg on the ground in that regress version. And then when you come back, just don't sit all the way back into your leg, okay? Just kind of sit back a little bit so it's not putting all that pressure in your knee and ankle. And then you can still pull up on your hamstring and push down on your leg. Go down as low as you can. It's going to work your knee and hamstring. First one's going to work your knees, warm up the hamstrings a touch, but really focus on knees and hips. So give those a try before your workout, after your workout, whenever you want to do it.